Peanut power. A nutritional nutshell. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the nutty world of peanuts. Often overlooked. These humble legumes pack a powerful punch of nutrients. Let's explore the top 10 health benefits of peanuts. Benefit 1. Heart health hero. Peanuts are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, the antioxidants in peanuts can prevent blood clots, improving overall heart health. Benefit 2. Weight management. Wonder. Looking to manage your weight? Peanuts can be a great ally. They're high in protein and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing overall calorie intake. They're also a great source of healthy fats, which can help you maintain a healthy weight. Benefit 3. Brain-boosting bites. Peanuts can also give your brain a boost. The antioxidants and healthy fats in peanuts can help protect brain cells from damage and improve cognitive function, including memory and concentration. Benefit 4. Diabetes defender. If you're managing diabetes, peanuts can be a smart snack choice. The fiber and protein in peanuts can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Benefit 5. Skin savior. Want healthy, glowing skin? Peanuts can help. The antioxidants in peanuts can protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, while the healthy fats can help keep your skin hydrated and elastic. Benefit 6. Athlete's ally. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts, peanuts are a great source of energy and nutrients. The carbohydrates provide a quick energy boost, while the protein helps repair and build muscle tissue. Benefit 7. Pregnancy powerhouse. Peanuts are a fantastic food for pregnant women. They're a good source of folate, which is essential for fetal development. Plus, they provide a variety of other essential nutrients, such as protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Benefit 8. Kid-friendly. Nutrition. Peanuts are a great way to introduce healthy fats, protein, and fiber into your child's diet. They're also a good source of vitamins and minerals, which are essential for growth and development. Benefit 9. Senior-friendly. Superfood. As we age, it's important to maintain a healthy diet. Peanuts can help seniors maintain cognitive function, reduce the risk of heart disease, and support overall well-being. Benefit 10. Vegan and vegetarian. Vitality. For vegetarians and vegans, peanuts are an excellent source of plant-based protein. They're also a great source of fiber, healthy fats, and essential minerals. So, there you have it. Peanuts are a versatile and nutritious food that can benefit people of all ages. Remember to enjoy them in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more health tips from Roco Diet.